Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make viral Reddit TikTok videos. First of all, let's see how the people behind Reddit stories created their videos by identifying the essential elements of this clip. By doing this, we will be able to recreate what they are doing. At the moment, we can see that Reddit stories uses three important elements. They use a stock video, typically a Minecraft gameplay, then they add some screenshots and they get from Reddit. So the first step we need to take is to find an interesting Reddit thread. We found a pretty interesting Minecraft story here. The next step we need to take is to get a screenshot of the title and one of the story itself. Because we will use this screenshot on a TikTok, I recommend that you right click on the page and go to inspect. This way you will be able to see the mobile version of the website and make a screenshot that's better for the TikTok platform. Now it's time to take our screenshot. We will select our subject and then save our screenshot. Then we will go Google and type in Flick0, open the first result and click on get started. It's very important that you make sure the aspect ratio is 9:16. This is the perfect ratio for Instagram, TikTok and YouTube Reels. The next step we need to take is to click on import, select my device and then select the screenshot we just did. Click on import and then add it to the timeline. Next up, open the stock tab, look up a Minecraft video and then add it to the timeline and click on fill canvas in order to make our video take up the whole screen. One thing I suggest doing is going to the effects tab and adding a little blur. This way our screenshot will pop up a little more against the background. The next step is go on Reddit and copy the story's text. Then go to the library, click on import and then text to speech. Select English as the language, paste it in your text, choose a voice and then click on add the media. Let's see what our videos look like so far. We will need to make this screenshot a little bit shorter so it matches the length of our voiceover. We will increase the size of the screenshot and make it little easier to read. Don't worry if your screenshot doesn't look the best at the moment, since this is only a preview. After you export your video, the screenshot will look crisp and clear. We will go to Reddit again and take another screenshot, save it and go back over the Flickr and click on import and then my device. Upload your new screenshot and add it to the timeline as well. Make it fit on the screen as well. Then we can select copy our text in English and paste the text here. Choose the same voice and click on add to media. We will arrange the voiceover in the timeline and make sure the voiceover and our screenshots are both in sync. Then we will need to increase the length of the screenshot to match our voiceover. Now we can choose add more Minecraft videos to simply copy and paste this one multiple times. After we made sure that our Minecraft video matches the length of our voiceover, we can click on export and then click on export video. Our clip will be processed and ready to download in less than 3 minutes. Another option would be select TikTok here and then log in with our TikTok account to publish our video there automatically. The result will look something like this and then your viral Reddit TikTok video is ready. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.